Hey YouTube, Jerrid here with Jackie Cooper Imports. One of the most common requests we have here in the pre-owned department is new battery keys for people's Mercedes-Benz keys when they go dead. Pretty much what you do, they make it real simple in Mercedes-Benz. You're going to release this key blade by moving this notch right there over. The key blade is going to pop right out. You take the key blade, which is kind of an internal tool into the key, put it in here. It's going to release the back. So what you're doing is pressing it against this part right here. So it releases that, it pops right off. That's going to open up the back, and this battery right here, it's a CR2025. It's going to come out simply. You're going to take it, and put it right back in there. Fits right back in there just like that. Put the back on it. Key blade. Just like new. Got a brand new operational battery with that red light right there. It's going to show you that you've got good battery power. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call. Stop by. I'll change it out for you in a blink of an eye. Thank you so much.